Every channel has 6 bands of EQ. The default responses for each band are shown across the top. By default, EQ bands 2 to 5 are switched on but at 0 gain, with the filters at bands 1 and 6 switched off. Tap an EQ band to access its controls on the right. Adjustments are made either with the sliders or by dragging the numbered circle on the graph to the desired position. For EQ bands with a bell response, the Q value is adjusted either with the Q slider or by using a pinch action directly on the curve. The band switch toggles the individual band of EQ on or off. Tap the response button to reveal the response pop-up. The EQ response determines the number of controls available. For example, in the case of a filter response, the only control available is frequency. On the graph, the coloured area shows the curve of the currently selected band. The white line shows the overall curve resulting from all active bands.